In this video, we're going to learn all about Demi-Plie. I'm David Kiefer. I'm the owner and CEO of the Dance Connection here in Hillsborough, New Jersey. I've been dancing professionally, teaching, choreographing for decades, and I'm excited to share all of my knowledge about dance with you. In French, plie means to bend or fold, and that's exactly what a ballet dancer is doing when they do a plie. There are two types of plies. There's a demi-plie and a grand plie. In this video, we're going to only focus on the demi-plie. In the future, we'll make a video about grand plie. So if you want to be notified when we do that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications. Plie is everywhere in ballet. A ballet teacher of mine once told me that all of ballet can be reduced to two steps, plie and releve. Now, there are some ballet experts that would disagree with that, but everybody would agree that plie is super important. Take a look. Plie is everywhere. Every time a ballet dancer jumps, every time a ballet dancer turns, they must plie. A plie in ballet, it's like breathing. You just can't dance without it. Two of our younger students, Maya and Liliana, have come into the studio today to help us demonstrate demi-plie. So let's go take a look. Demi-plie can be done from any of the ballet positions. We're going to start by taking a look at demi-plie from sixth position. This is how we introduce our youngest ballet dancers to demi-plie. Make your sixth position by putting both feet together and pointing your feet in the same direction. As always, whenever you're dancing, make sure you stand up tall, your shoulders are down, your neck is long, and your tummy is strong. Now, simply bend your knees. Make sure your knees bend right in line with your toes. Don't let the knees crash together or bend outside of your foot. Now, let's try it in first position. When you plie in first position, notice that your legs make the shape of a diamond. A few things to keep in mind when doing demi-plie. First, in demi-plie, your heels always stay on the floor. Everyone has a different amount of flexibility in their ankles. Because of this, the depth of your demi-plie is going to be a little different than someone else's. When you do demi-plie, keep your torso upright and maintain your posture. Don't stick your behind out. Keep your rib cage relaxed and don't let the rib cage expand in front of you. The only thing that should happen in demi-plie is that the knees bend and straighten. The upper body simply lowers and rises as if it's going along for the ride. Last thing, when you bend your knees, make sure that your knees bend out over the toes. This is super important. When you get to the lowest point of your demi-plie, the knee should remain above the toe. When you do this correctly, you'll see that the thigh and the foot create lines that go in exactly the same direction. If your knee drifts inwards and outwards, not only is this incorrect, but it puts pressure on the knee joint and could lead to injury. It's super important that you teach your body to do demi-plie correctly at your beginning of your ballet training so that you don't have injuries and you don't have something that you need to fix later on. A big thank you to our demonstrators, Maya and Liliana, for helping us show demi-plie today. If you liked this video, if you enjoyed, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you're looking for in-person or online classes for your child, please reach out to us here at the Dance Connection. And remember, stay dance connected.